Welcome back. Racing United rallied from 3 goals down to draw 3-3 with Portmore United as the Rare Nephew Jamaica Premier League playoffs began with a thrilling quarter-final first-leg encounter at the National Stadium. Ronaldo Robinson gave Portmore a 5th-minute lead. He doubled the advantage in the 9th minute as Portmore ended the half comfortably ahead. Peter McGregor made it 3-0 to Portmore in the 52nd minute. Racing cut the deficit in the 59th through a strike from talisman Tajay Grant. Nikhil Ellis, with a 79th minute strike, made further inroads into the scoreline before Asher Hutchinson made sure both teams would go into the return leg even as he equalised in the 87th minute. Defending champions Cavalier and Waterhouse are now meeting in the other quarter-final first-leg match. Montego Bay United and Mount Pleasant are already into the semi-finals by virtue of taking the top 2 spots in the regular season.